Okay, this is another video. This had a request for 2 more problems from the day 1 problem set. I believe it's day 1. Yeah, 1 to 25. Number 10 and 22. Both of these revolve around the Pythagorean identities. And like I said, you have to have these identities memorized, and they just need to come to you at ease. So looking at this first problem, I see cosine sine squared, but it's not a plus, it's a minus. All right, well, but I want 2 cosine squareds. So I'm not going to mess with this. I already have 1 cosine squared. I'm going to turn this sine squared into a cosine squared. The Pythagorean identity says sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equal to 1. Solve it for the sine squared of x, giving us 1 minus cosine squared of x. So let's plug that in. So I got cosine squared x minus the quantity of 1 minus the cosine squared of x. And I simply distribute the negative over, making it a minus 1 plus cosine squared of x. So I've got 1 cosine squared of x plus another one, 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. And there you have it. The next one over here, cotangent squared. Well, cotangent squared, that is I caught a cosecant. So let's solve this for the cotangent squared. Equals the cosecant minus 1. So we're going to plug that in for the numerator. Cosecant squared of x minus 1 over the cosecant of x. Now I've got 2 terms in the numerator with a monomial denominator. So I'm going to break that into the 2 fractions that subtracted to that. Cosecant squared of x over cosecant x minus 1 over cosecant x. That's cosecant x times cosecant x, so 1 cosecant cancels out one of these, leaving cosecant of x minus 1 over the cosecant. Well, the cosecant is 1 over the sine, so 1 over the sine of x. And that's it.